clothes, hell of a drill. Rainwater, you a motherfucker. You know goddamn well you could have shed some light on them girls. But instead, you know what the fuck you doing. You trying to let somebody else paint a picture of them. You trying to not have your hand in it. You don't want to, you know what I'm saying? You don't want shit to come out. But you didn't like Moe3's ops pages and shit. Like, what's going on, man? What the fuck? You a little selfish bastard. You had to be so far up that man ass about his money, cause you gonna talk about Moe3 was cheap, bitch. You gonna fault somebody for knowing how to manage some fucking money? You need to tap in. Rain Waters.